This is the first computer in human history, despite its massive size and tangled wires. Its invention alone shortened World War II by 2 years, saving approximately 14 million lives. At that time, Germany had a cipher machine called Enigma, touted as the greatest encryption device in history, with 5 rotors and a 26-letter keyboard. It could generate up to hundreds of quintillions of possible code combinations. The German military relied on it to encrypt their critical communications, and the complexity of the codes was mind-boggling at the speed of manual calculations by the Allies. It would have taken 20 million years to crack, but they only had 20 minutes to break this code. Britain assembled its top scientists, including a Cambridge-educated mathematical genius, Alan Turing. He proposed a bold idea, using a machine to fight a machine, despite skepticism from his colleagues. Turing persisted in designing a code-breaking machine. He even wrote to the Prime Minister requesting funding, and to everyone's surprise, the request was approved. Turing recruited a team of brilliant mathematicians, including an exceptional female mathematician, Joan Clarke. At first, the team struggled with Turing's eccentric personality, and some even wanted to smash his machine. But Turing knew that every wasted second meant more lives lost to the war after countless failures with the team's collaboration. The code-breaking machine finally went online in 1941, but after startup it produced no results, and the commander decided to shut down the project. At the critical moment, Turing's teammates stood by him. Just as the 1-month deadline was about to expire, Turing had a breakthrough. Realizing that fixed phrases in German messages could be the key, they finally cracked the code, but faced an agonizing choice. Should they act on intercepted intel to save ships targeted by the Germans? If they did, the Germans might realize their code was broken and change it. Turing made the difficult decision. To save more lives, some had to be sacrificed. After the war, Turing's contributions were classified as top secret, and no one knew of his role. Historians estimate his work shortened the war by at least 2 years, saving 14 million lives. Because of his sexual orientation, Turing was forced to undergo chemical castration. At just 41 years old, he bit into a poison apple and took his own life. Later, Steve Jobs adopted the bitten apple as his company's logo, a tribute to the father of modern computing.